In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Power BI. To get started, open Power BI and make sure the application is fully loaded before you begin navigating through the settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and click on File. This is where Power BI keeps many of its general controls and configuration options, so if you're trying to adjust how features work, this is usually the first place to check. After clicking File, find and select Options and Settings. This will open another small menu with additional choices. From there, click on Options. This is the section where Power BI lets you manage app-level preferences, feature settings, and other configuration tools that affect your experience inside the program. When the Options window opens, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories that organize different settings. Scroll through that list and find the Copilot option. This is the area you need if you want to enable Copilot inside Power BI. One important thing to understand here is that the Copilot setting may not always be available right away. This option only appears if you are signed in with your Microsoft account. So if you open the Options menu and notice that the Copilot section is unavailable or grayed out, that usually means Power BI is not currently recognizing a signed-in account that supports this feature. In that case, sign in first, then come back and check the settings again. If the Copilot option is available on your screen, this is where you can toggle it on. Simply enable the setting, and that will allow Copilot to be turned on in Power BI. If you don't see the toggle yet, don't worry, you're still in the correct place. The key is making sure you're logged in properly so the feature becomes accessible. As a quick recap, open Power BI, click File, go to Options and Settings, select Options, then find Copilot on the left side. If you're signed in with your Microsoft account, you should be able to enable it from there. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.